Hello, is this Alex?
Yep, the one and only. Who's this? If you're selling insurance, I already regret answering.
I'm not selling anything. I have kidnapped your wife.
Oh, wow. That's great news. Honestly, I wasn't expecting such a beautiful morning gift.
What? I said I have kidnapped your wife.
Yes, I heard you clearly. I'm just surprised. People usually kidnap valuable things.
I'm not joking. If you ever want her back, you need to pay a lot of money.
And what if I don't?
Then I will not release her. She will stay here until you pay.
Oh, wonderful. So I can relax? No chores? No long we need to talk speeches?
Are you... are you happy right now?
Happy. My friend, I'm thrilled. This is the best customer service call I've ever received.
Listen carefully. I'm demanding money. Big money.
Great. Take your time. I'm making popcorn. You want some? I can deliver.
Stop joking. I'm serious.
I'm serious too. You just saved me a month of arguments. You're basically doing charity work.
Sir, this is a dangerous situation.
For me or for you? Because now that you're alone with her, I feel scared for you, man.
She hasn't said anything yet, but she keeps staring at me like she's judging my life choices.
Ah, yes, the famous stare. Welcome to the club.
Anyway, pay me $100,000 and I'll release her.
$100,000? You know what? Keep her a little longer. Discount season will come eventually.
This is not a supermarket.
Hey, calm down. Don't shout. She hates shouting. If you shout too much, she'll start giving life advice.
What kind of advice?
Oh, you'll see. She'll rearrange your entire hideout. She'll judge your furniture. She'll ask why you don't drink enough water.
She already told me my place smells like old socks.
Brother, she's getting comfortable. Now you're in trouble.
Look, just come get her.
No, you said I must pay to get her back. Rules are rules. I respect your dedication.
I changed the rules. $0. Just come.
0? Tempting. But I'm enjoying this peace so much.
Please, I'm begging. Take her.
Begging already? Bro, she's been there, what, 10 minutes?
11. 11 minutes of constant staring.
She's warming up. And 10 more minutes, she'll start giving you chores.
She already moved the chair 2 inches and said, "This looks better now." Who does that?
Oh, she got comfortable. Okay, now I'm really laughing.
Sir, listen. If you don't come, I'll charge you babysitting fees.
Babysitting? She's probably babysitting you right now.
Fine. I'll double pay you. Just take her away.
Double pay? Now we're talking business.
Do you want $50, $100, a gift card, anything?
Depends. Does your hideout have Wi-Fi?
Sir, it doesn't... Wait, she is setting up my Wi-Fi router. Where did she even get that?
She carries one in her bag. She's unstoppable.
Please come. She's asking me why I don't invest in mutual funds.
Oh no, she activated finance mode. You're in stage 2 now.
Stage 2? How many stages are there?
4. Stage 4 is when she starts telling you how to run your kidnapping business more efficiently.
She already said my kidnapping strategy is outdated.
Ah, yes. Stage 4. You're doomed.
Sir, I'm coming to drop her at your house.
Nope. Rules. I only accept her return if a ransom is paid.
Fine. I'll pay you. Just open the door when I knock.
Make it $20 extra if you want me to pretend I missed her.
30. Just please take her.
Deal. And next time, kidnap someone easier, like a tiger or a crocodile.
Honestly, that sounds safer than this.